In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Instagram ID with a phone number. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram app, then hit at your profile picture, then hit at menu icon and select Settings. In here, tap at Follow and Invite Friends at the very top, and there hit at Follow Contacts. Now it asks you to allow Instagram to access your contacts. Instagram will use your contacts to help you find people you know and help them find you. Your contact will be periodically synced and stored on Instagram servers. You can turn off syncing at any time in settings. So to continue, I'll hit at Continue, and contacts is now connected. And now you can hit at menu icon and select Discover People. There it shows you some suggested person. Some of them might be from your contacts book. If you don't see the person from your contact book, it might be because that person doesn't link their phone number to their Instagram profile. And also let me show you what to do if right here at Follow and Invite Friends you can't find follow contacts. That means that you have already connected and synced your contacts with Instagram profile, so you can skip that step and move on directly to Discover People and search for your contacts here. I hope this video helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.